this is SharpShot21, and we are coming back with an unboxing today. I just got in a new helmet because my Scorpion is at its best by date, or don't use after date as it is. So I've ordered myself a new one, and it finally showed up. I do ask for a little apology on the mess on the top of the toolbox, but this is the only room in the house I can do this in right now. So we'll do a little unboxing and we'll do a little assembly. It is an HJC i10, which is one of their new helmets. It is DOT and SNELL 2020 approved, I believe. I could be wrong. It's either DOT and ECE or DOT and SNELL. I think I went with a SNELL helmet, just because my last one was also SNELL, and I like their stuff. It's a little bit better. So give me just a second to get the camera set up, and then we'll get into the unboxing. So obviously it's still in the box. Oh, I also got a new shield for it. So it's going to come with standard. They come with just the clear pin lock. And I bought another smoke shield. And yes, I got it off Revzilla because they have some of the best pricing and selection available. So it comes in a nice box. I got the Tase colorway with the blue and black. Sorry, I like to keep my helmet boxes for winter storage. I will say HJC, since the last HJC helmet I bought, has upped their game quite a bit. Alright, so this is the blue mirror shield. It is shield model HJ-31 for anyone interested. I'll take that out in a minute. It comes nicely packaged. A couple pieces of foam. Nothing else in the box. It does come in a nice helmet bag. My last HJC didn't have a bag. We've got the owner's manual. One of the reasons I bought this helmet, in addition to the DOT and the SNELL 2020 approval, is it is one of the ones that they've built for their new Cena 10B and 20B, I believe they are. I'll annotate down below which ones it is. Comm systems. And whilst I have a Cena 30K, and I don't plan on getting, oh, yeah, there it is. Smart HJC 20B and 10B. Whilst I have a 30C, I wanted one that was going to have the big speaker pockets, and this one has that. It also has a mic pocket. So we may or may not do a install. As you can see, we've got some nice chimney vents, 2-position, a forehead vent, and a nice single position chin guard. The i10s, we've also got the center unlock for the shield. Now the other reason I went for the i10 instead of something like the, I think it's the i70, is I don't like an internal sun visor. My nose is bent, my face doesn't work with it. It has the pretty standard these days quick release, which, if memory serves, yeah, you just pull back. Comes out. Push back on that side. And a little fiddling, and it too comes out. Now this is a size large, and if memory serves, I'm a size large in HJC. That was my last one. But we're going to try this on. Uses your standard double D-ring enclosure, chin strap. And I believe they call the head shape on this one an intermediate oval. So yes, I am definitely a large in HJC, and this is a very comfy helmet. A little tight in the cheeks, but it's supposed to be that way. The forehead is nice. It doesn't shimmy too much on my head. I think I'm going to enjoy this. It doesn't have the emergency cheek pad system like my Scorpion did, but you can't have everything. So when we take this off, we'll put the blue shield on. Well, no, the blue shield is mirrored and tinted. So you've got this nice mirroring, and then you can see it's tinted on the back. It is also pin lock compatible. Mirrored shields are always trickier to install than the clears. There it is. But I think that color combination is going to look really good. So I actually don't think I'm going to do a comm system install video on this one, only because there's so many out there. And they're fairly simple, especially on this helmet, because it's built for a comm system. So there's wire channels, there's wire guides. You pull the liner out and you drop it in. So I'll do that. I'll get the camera installed, get the camera mic installed, and then we'll take this for a ride in the next couple of days and we'll see how it works. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. We will hopefully see you guys next time, and as always, keep the rubber side down. Sharps out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and it lets you know when I put something new up. New videos will be going up
on Tuesdays or Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if I do decide to do live streams, I will try to give 24 hours notice. So hit the subscribe button on the channel and you'll be notified when I post that stuff too. Hope to see you next time. Sharps out.